We're checking in and we're flying back to Edmonton. The flight is about 1 hour and 31 minutes. Before we went to the security, we spent time first with Dad Ed. After he left, we proceeded to security check.
It says 7:20 is boarding.
This is the lounge area where we were waiting for our flight. We were delayed for about 30 minutes. So I took advantage to record while the rest are charging their phones.
Look at this.
Now we're boarding.
Interesting.
That's the WestJet, a smaller plane that you normally ride.
And follow the floor lighting to the nearest exit. En cas d'évacuation, laissez vos articles personnels.
At dahil nasa bintana ako, first time kong makakita sa plane na talagang kitang-kita ko yung wheels. Kung kaya naman nag-decide ako na i-record ko siya. It's going to be interesting. Inaabangan ko kung paano niya yan itatago yung mga wheels na yan. Let's see what will happen. Dito kinat ko na ang video kasi nga mahaba-haba pa yan. Umiikot pa muna siya bago tuluyan ng lumipad. Ayan, pabilis na ng pabilis. Mukhang malapit na ang inaabangan ko. Ayan na. O, diba? Itinago na niya yung mga wheels. Success! Na-record ko siya. Ang saya-saya ko lang. Travel time is about 1 hour and 31 minutes from Comox Valley, Vancouver Island to Edmonton Airport. Sa harapan ko, ayan, may mga maliliit akong nakikitang daliri. Ayan, pagkasama ko yung mga yan, ang aking mga anak, parehas sila busy sa mga agenda nila. May nagdo-drawing. Yung isa naman, wala lang, tulala na nakatingin sa bintana. Touchdown, safe and sound. Gabi na po rito dahil 1 hour ahead ang Alberta kisa sa British Columbia.